You know, I talk to a lot of sellers who are on the fence about selling right now because they just don't want to move from their great interest rate, their excellent interest rate, right, to a higher interest rate. One of the things that I think is worth considering is how long are you going to live in this next home? And why are you going to this next home? If everything is strictly financial for somebody making a move and all that matters is the numbers, hey, I can see the pause. A low interest rate feels great and you want to stay in it and it's not that important to get to the next home, stick with your low interest rate. Stay put and enjoy, honestly. But if there's motivation behind why you need to move, whether the home is just driving you crazy, it's way too big, you want something smaller. Oh, or it's the opposite. It's so darn cramped in that home and you need something bigger. Think about the significant benefit that you will receive by what's important to you for that move. Are you getting out of the zip code, getting out of the state, getting into your dream home, whatever it is? Because there's a very good chance that you're going to be in the home long term. And being able to look at a long-term plan instead of a short-term issue can be more important and more powerful in your financial situation, because what's going to happen is if you wait and interest rates drop to a comfortable level, it's going to be a bear to go out there and buy a home. Prices are going to be higher, multiple offers are going to increase, and it's going to be an extremely frustrating process. You can eliminate that frustration by making a move now, by buying when there's less buyers in the marketplace because of the high interest rates. Enjoy the home that's really important to you, and when rates drop, refinance, get the lower payment. So just some things to think about as you sit on that fence of should I move or should I not?